Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, in our English session, first we will complete exercises of Unit 8, The Mumbai Musician, and then we will do one grammar lesson, special names. Okay, so watch all videos properly and complete all the work nicely in your notebook as well as in your textbook. So let's start our today's English session. Okay students, let's do exercises of Unit 8 lesson The Mumbai Musician. Open your English textbook, page number 133. See, let's sort out these words. Here in two bags some words are given. We have to sort out, but how? See, let's read the instructions first. Pick the words from the bags and put them on the right shelf. One has been done for you. Say the words aloud. See, here in two bags some words are given and here given some shells. Right? In these shells, we have to divide these words according to this heading. First, here we have to write the words with short E words. Right? With the word with short E sounds. Then here with the short I sounds. Right? Here long E sound and here long I word sounds. See which words here given? Leg, nest, dais, pig, tree, fish, smile, seed. And here bell, hill, line, deep, mill, lip, kite, well, street. Okay. So let's start. See here first short E words. Which words are short with which words with the short E sounds? One is already given, leg. Okay, so leg. Then we will write nest. Nest. See here if I will write, you cannot see properly. So I will send you the answer later on. But right now you listen. See here if I write, I think you cannot see properly. See. Here you cannot see it properly, so I will send you the answer next. But leg, nest. Then here you can find out bell, well. Okay, so these four words are with short E sound. Repeat, leg, nest, bell, well. Okay, now the words with short I sounds. Pig, pig, fish, hill, lip. Okay, these words are with short I sound. Pig, fish, hill, lip. Okay. Now long E words. Now we have to here write down the words with long E sound. Deep. Okay, then which word here? Tree. Seed. Okay, then here deep. Street. Meal. Okay, so deep is already given. So tree, seed, street and mill. These are the words with long E sound. Right? Now long I sound. Words with long I sound. Smile, smile is already given. Then dais, then smile is already given. Dais, then line, line and then kite. Okay, kite. Again, smile, dice, line, kite. These all are words with long I sounds. Okay, so write these words in this column. But here also we can't see. So do this exercise in your notebook. Okay, now turn the page, all of you. See, let's write. Do you play any musical instrument? Here you can write, yes, I can play. Here any instrument which you can play, you can write, yes, I can play tabla. Or you can write dholak, or you can write keyboard, right? If no, which instrument do you want to learn? See, here I have written that yes, I can play tabla. But if you don't know if any instrument, then here, if no, which instrument do you want to learn? So here you can write, I would like to learn, or I would want to learn. I would want to learn keyboard, or you can write guitar, or you can write harmonium, right? Now see, next exercise. Add the word of the opposite gender in the given sentences. Here some words with pink colors are given. You have to write opposite gender of that word. For example, boy, girl, right? So, Anju's mother and blank came to the school. Here mother is given. So, mother, then what is the opposite gender of mother? Father, right? So, Anju's mother and father came to the school. Then second sentence, my uncle and blank came to visit us on Monday. Then uncle, then what is the opposite gender of uncle? Auntie. A-U-N-T-Y. Aunt and auntie both are correct. So my uncle and auntie came to visit us on Monday. Then the lion and the blank looked lovingly at their cub. Right? The baby of lion is called cub. So the lion and the lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. The lioness. Right? Lion, lioness. Uncle, auntie. Mother, father. The king and blank sat on beautiful thrones. The king and queen. Right? Opposite of king is queen. Opposite gender of king is queen. The king and queen sat on beautiful thrones. The man is running and the blank is walking. What is the opposite of gender of man? Woman. Right? So the man is running and the woman, W-O-M-A-N. If one, then W-O-M-N. If more than one man or woman, W-O-M-E-N for women and M-E-N for men. My grandfather and blank went to the market. Grandfather, what is the opposite gender of grandfather? Grandmother. Right? Father, mother, so grandfather, grandmother. You all should know all these opposite gender. Let's repeat again. Mother, father, uncle, auntie, lion, lioness, king, queen, man, woman, grandfather, grandmother. Okay, so these are some blanks which you have to write in your textbook only. Okay, on next page one game is given. You can play this game with your parents or with your siblings. Okay, see which game? Bingo. Let's play bingo. What you have to do? See, write any 9 words from the given list in the boxes. Put only one word in one box. See, here some words are given. You have to in one paper make these 9 box, and any 9 words you write down here in this box. Okay, 2 or 3 person can write these words in boxes. Then the teacher will call out any 6 word, right? But here not teacher, anyone, either your father or mother will take the book and call out any 6 word. If the word she calls out is in the box, put a cross on it, right? If young is there, then cross the young. If beautiful is there, cross the beautiful. Fat is there, cross the fat. Fat. The one who crosses out all the words first shouts bingo and is the winner. And the person who will cross out all the word first, they will call out bingo, means he is the winner. So try to play this game with your parents, okay, or your siblings or your nearby friends. Okay, next page, page number 136. See, in what way are these musical instruments different from each other? Put them into 3 groups based on how they are played. See, here in one big box, some musical instruments are given. Tabla, sitar, flute, duffly, guitar, iktara, shehnai, violin and dholak. Now you have to find out this in what way these musical instruments are different from each other. Okay, you have to find out that. See here. Here you have given 3 circles. So in first circle you have to write instrument that you play with fingers, right? Then string instrument, the instrument with strings you have to write here, and then instruments that you blow, right? Instrument that you blow into. Here you have to write the instrument which you blow. So first here you have to write the instrument that you play with fingers. Okay, so with fingers, which different instrument you can play? Tabla, duffly, dholak. Okay, these 3 instruments play with fingers. So write here. First we will write tabla, tabla, then duffly, duffly, and then dholak. Okay, now here string instruments, instrument which has strings. So you can see sitar, guitar, iktara and violin. These all instruments have strings. So let's write here one by one. First sitar, then guitar, then iktara, then violin. These 4 instruments are string instruments, and here we have to write instruments that you blow into, right, which we can blow with air of our mouth. So here you can see flute and shehnai. This true instrument we can blow. So write down here flute and shehnai. Right? So in this way we have different, in this way these all musical instruments are different from each other. Okay. Now turn the page. Next exercise on page number 138. This is the picture of a musical instrument called a Jal Tarang. Right? Some students have already done this. How you can make your own Jal Tarang? See, get 6 to 10 bowls of the same size and shape. What you have to take? 6 to 10 bowls with same size and shape. Right? सारे same होने चाहिए. Pour water into the balls. Keep the water at different levels. Here in all the bowls you have to pour water. But water in all the balls are at different levels. कुछ में कम, कुछ में ज़्यादा. Use 2 pencils and strike the rim of the balls to make musical sound. Now what you have to take 2 pencil and here you have to strike. So you can get different musical sound. This instrument is known as Jal Tarang. Right? Now see, the word Jal Tarang is made up of 2 words. In the word Jal Tarang, how many words are there? 2 words. Jal means water and Tarang means music. Right? Jal, water, Tarang, music. These 2 words are combined and make the one word Jal Tarang. Now make new words by joining 2 words. One has been done for you. See. Newspaper. So the word is newspaper. So school bag. So which word we will get? School bag. School bag. Right? Then tooth plus paste. So you will get toothpaste. Toothpaste. Then neck plus lace. Necklace. Right? Which we wear in our neck. Some plus one. Someone. So these all words we have framed by joining 2 words. Again in second bowl also some words are given. Bath plus room. So bathroom. Bathroom. Time plus table. Timetable. Foot plus ball. Football. Car plus pet. Carpet. Right? Which we use on our floor. So these all words we have framed by joining 2 words. Okay. Then next page number 139. Here you have to practice the cursive writing again. See, get up early in the morning, tracing all these lines, right? And learn how to write cursive writing. Now you all know, but you have to practice for it. So complete all these exercises properly in your textbook, and some exercises I will mention you that is in your notebook.